Briefly explain the two most common starting points to start market for a successful online courses. Two common starting points to market for a successful online course are: building an email list. Start by building an email list of interested prospects who are likely to be interested in your course topic. Offer valuable lead magnets such as free guides, checklists, or mini courses related to your niche in exchange for email sign UPS. Use email marketing to nurture leads, provide valuable content, and promote your course offerings. Email marketing allows you to establish a direct and ongoing connection with your audience, making it a powerful tool for course promotion and sales. Creating content on social media platforms. Leverage social media platforms to create and share valuable content related to your course topic. Use platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube to showcase your expertise, engage with your audience, and build credibility in your niche. Share informative posts, videos, infographics, or live streams that provide value and address your audience's needs and interests. Build a community around your content by encouraging discussions, answering questions, and interacting with your followers. As you build a following and establish yourself as a trusted authority, you can promote your online courses to your social media audience, driving traffic and enrollment.